Every day, our drivers head out with a job to do. But they don't leave their lives at the door. They bring families, challenges, and obligations with them. As leaders, our responsibility goes beyond productivity. It's about making sure everyone gets home safely, every single day. AI is changing the world. In fleet safety, it gives us more visibility than ever before, more data, more insight, more awareness. But safety isn't solved by data alone. It's solved when technology empowers real human conversations. GoAnalytics Case Center brings clarity to complexity. It organizes what matters most, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Who needs attention, what's already been addressed, and what still needs action. Case Center isn't just about correcting behavior. It's about recognizing excellence, celebrating safe driving, acknowledging consistency, reinforcing the behaviors that protect lives. And when issues do arise, Case Center creates accountability for drivers, for managers, for leadership. Every case is owned, tracked, and resolved. Because safety isn't a report, it's a culture, built through trust, consistency, and leadership. GoAnalytics Case Center. Powered by data, driven by people.